Reflecting on my placement at British Gypsum, I've actually been really fortunate to work on an array of both technical and non-technical projects. Studying my mechanical engineering degree for 3 years prior had given me technical knowledge, but I had little experience and how this translated to real-world situations.
During my time at British Gypsum, I was privileged to work with a vast range of professionals, acquiring greater knowledge in an engineering industry, as well as having the opportunity to complete projects in various areas. Simultaneously, I focused on the stucco preparation area, Spa and Cove Line, and had complete ownerships of these projects. Working with various multidisciplinary teams, I was exposed to a vast range of knowledge and expertise, which I used during my projects for assistance and reassurance.
I feel like coming to the Sherburn site was actually a real eye-opener in solving real issues and how to really take ownership of a project from start to finish. So this happened for my very first project, where I worked on creating a maintenance procedure for cleaning the classifier within the FIFO mill. And to reduce the risk of equipment failure, I had to find a way to clean up the dust build-up inside while still prioritising safety and resources. In this, as well as other installation projects, I had to carry out planning and test my ideas, which required me to actually source parts, create risk assessments and method statements.
Throughout my projects, I carried out laboratory tests for technical data to assist in creating further actions for projects. I was able to demonstrate skills which I have used in university laboratories, as well as learning more about standard operating procedures and carrying out tasks safely. I was able to carry this through in all my projects and tasks.
I was really happy that I could use my computer-aided design skills to help on various projects over the past year, from using simulations to create fitting tools to aid the mill operators sampling of the conveyor, to using finite element analysis to optimize designs while reducing manufacturing costs. These really strengthened my position on the practical use of CAD.
On Cove production line, I planned trials current to production requirements using trial plans. Whilst working with the line engineers and operators, I was able to forecast limitations to the trials, mitigate and reduce these to ensure the trials ran smoothly and reliable data could be collected. I improved my communication skills whilst discussing trials with operators and ensuring my findings were understood by others.
By working alongside the shiftcraft operators and other engineers, I was able to actually learn from their expertise and knowledge in manufacturing and engineering. I felt this accelerated my practical understanding and opened my eyes to different ways to solve problems in real-world situations.
On SPA, I applied fundamental chemical and process engineering knowledge during FIFO mill optimization. By completing mass and energy balances, I was able to verify and validate models. Although I had this technical knowledge, taking live readings and measurements provided the mass and energy balance with the real-world situation, which would vary depending on production requirements. Some of the skills I developed included managing tasks and my time, applying knowledge and initiative during trials, communicating clearly, as well as becoming more confident, all of which I will use and develop further in my professional career.
Looking back, I felt like I've grown in confidence, communication skills and stakeholder management, and these are skills that I know will stay with me going forward in both my professional and personal life.